It's early Sunday morning, February 11th, 2024. Here's the status of our pool rebuild. I suspect these holes are for a fill line, some return lines, and maybe a pool cleaner. Quite a few holes. Some more over here, more trenching. I think another return line. I'm not sure what this hole is for. I think the L is probably for a light. Not sure what that one is. That looks like a return. Gotta be careful I don't get poked by rebar here. Looks like another light and another return. A light and a return. Somehow they're gonna put 3 shear descents over there. The one right there is coming out, and there's another return. Boy, they really chiseled this thing out.